This washing machine from LG is perfect if you're looking for an eco-friendly model with amazing technology for superior cleaning. It has a 1400 RPM spin speed, an incredible A++ energy rating, and a medium-sized 8kg drum capacity. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. This model's innovative NFC Tag On feature will solve all your laundry problems. Simply download the LG app on an NFC-compatible smartphone and you can connect it directly to your machine. Just hold the phone near the Tag On symbol to diagnose your machine, check the cycle progress, or even add brand new wash programs. So, no matter what laundry questions crop up, you'll always be connected to the right answers. LG's 6-motion technology mirrors hand-washing techniques to give different fabrics, like silk or denim, tailored care with every wash. The drum moves in 6 different speeds and directions, depending on the program. This includes tumble, rolling, scrubbing, filtration, stepping, and swing, meaning whichever program you choose, your clothes will always be in safe hands. If you're looking for an eco-friendly washing machine with amazing technology for superior cleaning, this model from LG is the one for you.